What's the meaning of Bobby Shafto? Bobby Shafto. Bobby Shafto.
Bobby Shafto. Bobby Shafto. Bobby Shafto is a traditional folk song that originated in northeast England in the 19th century. The song is named after a real person, Robert Shafto, a wealthy landowner from Durham who served as MP for County Durham in the 18th century. The lyrics of the song tell the story of Bobby Shafto's supposed courtship of a young woman and his subsequent departure to London. Although the song is often associated with children's nursery rhymes, it was originally a love song and has been interpreted in various ways over time. Today, Bobby Shafto remains a popular folk song in northeast England and beyond.